Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you a high-end home located in a prime subdivision here in Angeles City. Newly renovated po ito from floor to ceiling. So, currently installing yung ating fluted wall panels in the kitchen, dining area, living area, and all the bedrooms. So, ito po is 496 square meters ang lot area. And corner lot po ito. So, maganda po talaga na corner lot, very charming. And then, floor area po natin is around more or less 400 square meters as well. So, makikita ninyo, sobrang luwag ng ating mga areas of the house. Spacious din ang ating bedrooms. Tapos, meron na din tayong kasamang built-in closet, working or study tables. Tapos, may TV console na din. Tapos, meron na din tayong split-type aircon for all the bedrooms. Tapos, meron tayong 3 toilet and baths. So, may shower enclosure na din po yung kasama. Ayan po. And also bathroom mirror, hindi lang pa po siya installed. And this is our master's bedroom. So, same po. Meron tayong built-in closet, TV console, and workstation dito for the master's bedroom. So, if interested, just message us. We will be posting the price soon. So, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Have a nice day!